Today, students, we are going to do class 4 subject mathematics topic metric conversion. Part 3 unit of weight kilogram to gram. Here you can see a daddy and daughter talking. Daddy says, Tina, come. Today I'll take you to the supermarket. So now Tina is thrilled, happy, excited. So she says, wow, thank you, daddy, for taking me. And both of them enters the supermarket. The moment they enter the supermarket, Tina asked her daddy, Daddy, so many people here. So daddy says, you know why beta so many people? Because it's the weekend. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. So it's a holiday for everybody. So they come for shopping. Now Tina understands and both of them moves on. And where they go? They go to a fruit stall. And Tina asks her daddy, Daddy, will you buy fruits for me? You buy apple for me because that is my favorite fruit. So daddy says, sure dear. And he says the fruit wala, भैया apple कितने का दोगे? So what the fruit wala says? Fruit wala says that साहेब price डाला है बोर्ड में, आप खुद ही देख लो. Now when the fruit seller says price डाला है बोर्ड में, आप देख लो, Tina is more curious to know. So she asks her daddy, Daddy, what is written on the board? Please tell me also. So daddy says that Tina, you know, the prices of the fruits are given on the board. Okay, now Tina is more curious. So Tina asks, Daddy, what is the price of the apple? I want apple. So daddy says, Dear, the price of the apple is rupees 170 for 1 kg. And daddy is ready to buy the apple. Now so he says the fruit wala that, Bhaiya, आप 1 kg apple दे दो. Now Bhaiya is selecting good apples. And before he does that, he wants to weigh the apple to see whether it is 1 kg. Okay, so he takes the weighing machine, start weighing the apple. So Tina says, Daddy, what is that machine? Okay, he's weighing the apple in that. So daddy says, Beta, that is a weighing machine used to find the weight of the fruits. You want 1 kg apple. How will you know it's 1 kg? So the fruit wala is weighing the apple. So Tina understands, moves on with the apple and says thank you to daddy. Now let's see where the next stall they goes on. They go on to the stall where Chyawanprash, mixed jam, fruit jam, everything is kept. So Tina sees the Chyawanprash and says, Daddy, can I have Chyawanprash? My teacher says it is very good for memory. And please buy a small bottle. Daddy, what is the price of that small bottle? So daddy says it's rupees 152 for 500 gram. That is half kg. And he says, let's buy it, Tina. Okay, so now they buy the Chyawanprash and along with the Chyawanprash and the apple, they move on. Now they go to the next stall and that is pulses, where they get pulses. So Tina's daddy says, Tina, your mummy has asked me to bring chana dal. So let's buy chana dal. Now Tina is very curious to know prices. So she asks, Daddy, what is the price of chana dal? Okay, now she wants to know the price of everything. So she says, please daddy, tell me, the price of chana dal. So daddy says, it's rupees 120 for 1 kg. So Tina says, 120. Daddy says, yes dear. Okay, now the daddy tells that, the shopkeeper wala, कि मुझे 1 kg chana dal दे दो. And that man is packing the bag. But before that, he's weighing the chana dal. Now Tina sees another weighing machine. So she asks, Daddy, this machine is different. So daddy says, yes, this is a digital weighing machine. In this, you just keep it and automatically it shows. No need to hold it on your hand. So this is called a digital weighing machine. So she says, okay, but still she has got a doubt. So she asks her daddy, can I ask you something, daddy? We bought apple, Chyawanprash, chana dal, everything. Everything is measured in kilogram and gram. Why? Why kilogram and gram? Okay, so daddy says, these are the units used to measure weight. Let me explain to you. Tina, do you remember what item we bought? Do you remember the first item? Yes, it's apple. Now here the picture of apple, you can see how many kg? 1 kg. Do you remember the next item what we bought? Yes, you can see the picture here. It's Chyawanprash. And how much gram is given here? 250 gram. Okay. Now what is the next thing we brought, Tina? Do you remember? It's chana dal. Now you can see the picture of chana dal and it's given as 500 gram. So today let's learn how this 1 kg is converted to 250 and 500 grams. How bigger unit is converted to smaller unit. So today let's learn the unit of weight, that is gram and kilogram. Okay, so what is the unit of weight? That is 1 kilogram to 1000 gram. If you see, we brought 1 kg apple, correct? 1 kg apple, so how many gram apple we brought? 1000 gram. So let's divide 1000 into 4 quarters. Okay, these are the 4 quarters: 250, 250, 250, 250. 4 quarters. So this 4 quarters full makes 1 kilogram, that is 1000 gram. Okay, so 1 kilo apple means 1000 gram. So let's see now what is half kilo apple. 1 kilo apple, 1000 gram. So half kilo means 2 quarters. 250 plus 250. How much that is, Tina? Can you tell me 250 plus 250? 500 gram. So we brought 1 kg apple, 1000 gram. If you buy half kg apple, it will become 500 grams. Okay, so let's move on and let's find out what is quarter kilogram. Just quarter. 1 kg 1000, half 500. Quarter is just take 1 quarter. So how much it is? It's 250 gram. So quarter of 1 kg apple becomes 250 gram. Okay. Now let's move on to 3/4 kilograms. 3/4 kilograms. That means 3/4. So 250 plus 250 plus 250. So it becomes how much? 3/4 of 1 kg apple becomes 750 grams. Okay, it's coming to 750 grams. So 1 kg 1000, half kg 500, quarter 250, 3/4 is 750. Let's learn how to convert this big unit of weight to smaller unit, that is kilogram into gram. Okay, so let's solve few sums to make it more clear. Now the first question is 12 kilogram. So how to convert 12 kilogram into gram? So you know the unit of weight. 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. If 1 kilogram is 1000 gram, 12 kilogram will be how much? 12 into 1000. We already learned bigger unit. If you want to make it smaller unit, you have to multiply. So multiply by 1000. So this becomes 12 kilogram is equal to 12,000 gram. So the answer is 12 kilogram is equal to 12,000 gram. This is a correct answer. Let's move on to the second question. Now the second question is 10 kilogram and 500 gram. Now you have to convert into gram, but this 500 gram is already gram. So don't touch that 500 gram. Let's move on to 10 kilogram. Let's convert 10 kilogram into gram. So let's write the unit of weight. 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. 1 kilogram 1000 gram. So how much will be 10 kilogram? 10 kilogram will be 10 into 1000 gram. Now how much is 10 into 1000? So 10 kilogram is equal to 10,000 gram. Now you converted 10 kilogram into gram. So you got 10,000 gram. Now what do you have to do? The up 500 gram which you had kept aside, bring it down. And you add it with 10,000 gram. So 10,000 gram plus 500 gram, it makes 10,500 grams. So what is the answer? 10 kilogram and 500 gram is equal to 10,500 gram. Students, hope the lesson was very clear. Okay, now wait for the teacher to come with part 4, that is unit of capacity. Have a great day. Thank you.